Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have a bit of a different video. We have a Shein unboxing. I have a bunch of random stuff in this video. So I ordered some stuff, I don't even remember. Some clothes, I ordered some nose jewelry, some other jewelry. I don't know, you guys. We're just gonna see what we ordered. I'm probably not gonna try on the clothes. Some of these are random. Forgot I got some of this stuff. Right off the bat, the first thing I can see in the box, you know when you have a carpet and you have like a lot of pet hair or weave? For me, this is like gonna be removing the hair on my carpet. Let me see if it works. Damn! Look at that, you guys. Don't judge me. Look at that, 2 seconds. That's how much hair I picked off of the carpet with this thing. Wow, amazing, genius, that works. And it was so cheap. Okay, so far we're off to a good start. So I picked up some nails. I'm gonna show you guys a quick comparison because I did order some nails off of AliExpress. I think this is like 500 nails. This is what the bag looks like. It's huge. They're long, like extra long. Wow, they're thick too. So this is the nail tip that I ordered. I did order some from AliExpress. These are the ones I ordered from AliExpress, but I also ordered clear, but I didn't open the clear pack because I do want to do an AliExpress video. I just want to compare the two. This is the one from AliExpress and this is the one from Shein. The one from AliExpress is definitely stronger. I would recommend you guys getting this if you are a nail tech or you just, you know, like me, do your own nails. You know, if you love doing your own nails. Ooh, we got some jewelry, you guys. Let's save the jewelry for last. Okay, let's open this first bag. I'm gonna try to leave the links for everything in the description box. So I got this little long turtleneck, long maxi dress. It does have a slit here. This is gonna be so cute, so classy. I think everything was like in large. That is super cute. This is like really good quality and it's very stretchy. Most of these are dresses, I think, because I just wanted to get some for the spring. If you guys want to try on haul, let me know. You guys have to request it or else I'm not doing that. This is another maxi dress. This one is very stretchy. Okay, it's long and it's black. I just like having these just to throw on in the summertime and springtime. It's very long, super cute. It's your basic. You can get like 3 pieces or 2 pieces. So I got 2 dresses. It's looking a little, it's kind of short for me because I'm so tall. So that's the first one. It's kind of see-through. It's not the thickest material, but it's still cute. And then I got it in white or off-white. That's what the off-white one looks like. Cute. That's cute. And that's if I feel like, you know, looking a little bit like a classy thought, I'll wear that one. What else we got? What else we got? Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered these. So this is like a tracksuit pants. I don't know to explain the material, but I'll show you guys a picture of the model because it'll just be easier. I hope this one looks cute. It looks so cute. Like in the model, I think she was wearing it high-waisted and it's like that like rain jacket material and it does like go tight at the ankles. I think this will look cute. Got a lot of clothes actually. So this item is in a large, probably a dress. Yep. So it's basically like, oh wait. I don't know. It's like a crisscrossy halter back. Is it halter back? This is in a large. This is really good quality, really stretchy. Just a plain, you know, like a lot of basics. Okay, next item. Probably a dress, you guys. If you guessed the dress, you're probably right. I got this in a large. What is this? Oh, this is all back. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. I thought this was a dress. No, this is like a romper. So just like a bodysuit. This is cute. So just like around the house, you know, in the spring and summertime. It came with 2 colors. So this is the second color. Super cute. This is really cute. This is gonna look cute on just like lounging around. I definitely recommend this and the material is very good on this. And then it came with a black one. It's definitely gonna be short, but it's cute. What the hell is this? Oh. Okay, so this is, what is this? This is a dress. Just a stretchy black dress, really high neck. It does have like a little rope on the side, so you can like, you can tighten, like you can make it shorter. See? So you can make it shorter on like the one leg. This is cute. Is this gonna fit me? Oh, I was feeling very bold with this number. What was I thinking with this one? What is this? This is a large? Oh, okay, it's a two-piece. Okay, so this is the top. Okay, and then, so remember the top. And then this is the skirt. Oh, so I think you like tie into each other. I don't remember what it looks like on, I have to put the picture here because I don't remember what this looked like. It looked cute in the picture, but I don't know. This is very bright, you guys. It's not even looking as bright on camera, but yeah, this is the bottom. So this is actually the skirt part. And it actually looks like it's big enough that it'll fit me. And then we have one more. Oh no, this is what I ordered for my husband. I just ordered him a shirt. He's pretty basic too. So I ordered him this little shirt. It's cute. It's not really showing up because of the lighting, but it looks like it's really nice. It's a nice material. Looks kind of like a sweater material, but not. So I also got these nail bits. You know, like the cuticle, not nail bits, cuticle cutter. They were so cheap, and you get like a 10 pack, so that's really good. I'm always needing to cut my cuticles. Definitely recommend it. All the rest are jewelry. Okay, I got some bracelets. Can we try that out? Let's try that on. All the jewelry, it's like $2, $1, $3. Okay, let's see. Don't come for my ashy hands and arms. Just so I was cleaning. Oh, this is small. But it's adjustable. These are cute. This one says love. How are you supposed to wear it? You're supposed to wear it like, These are kind of small, but you can stretch it out. So I advise stretching it out. So that's the bracelets. These are cute. Cute, right? Okay. My purses that I'm wearing lately are gold or have gold accents. So I'm like, you know, I need some gold jewelry. I got some rings. These are cute. Cute. I don't really know how to wear this because I don't really wear jewelry like that. The next item. Whoa, whoa. Oh, these are pretty, you guys. Okay, so I got these bracelets, you know, because I'm more of a silver girl. It's a 3-pack, so it also has this little one. This little guy. Right, those are cute. Is this bracelet? I think these are bracelets, yeah. Like, this looks like for a size for a baby. Who is this, a kid size? Like, look at this, you guys. Look how small that is. Would that even fit my wrist? What? These are very tiny. These might be for kids. Really pretty, but they seem very small. I don't know. I got these gold earrings. I don't know why. I just don't like earrings. Like, as soon as I put that on, I just feel like a totally different person. I don't like it. It's cute, but I don't like it on me. You get what I'm saying? I'm just not into that. And then we have, what is this? Necklace? I don't know. This is what it looks like. I just be buying a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, this is really cute, you guys. It's a little heart bracelet. They're like little hearts. I hope it's picking up on camera. Do you see? And it actually looks pretty blingy. Get it on. This is cute. Love this. I recommend this. This is super, super cute. Because before I didn't have anything besides my wedding ring. This is, you know when you have like hair in the sink? This is for that, which I definitely have a lot of hair in my sink. So you basically stick it down the sink, the drain, and then you stick this down the drain, ow! And then you pull it up, and supposedly lots of hair comes out. Those little gadgets that you see on the site works really well because this little brush thing, ladies, get this. I should have bought like 4 of these because I should have one for every room that has a carpet. That is the end of this unboxing. I'm gonna try on the nose piercings in another video, just like because it's just too much stuff and I feel like it's better off just in its own video. So if you wanna see that video, stick around, or it should be coming up soon. So subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these fun little hauls that I got from Shein. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.